everyone, welcome to Chadani Solutions. So for today's video, let's learn how to optimize your images on your website. So first to consider is the size. So is the image of your website is using the correct size, or it is using or your image is using bigger size. So which is not recommended, because bigger size of your web images makes your load speed slower. So you need to use the exact size of the image. So here, the display size of the image is only, as you can see, it's only 580 by 386. So you can see here, if I hover the image, you can see above the image 580 by 386. But the original size of the image is this one. If I hover the image, this is the original size of the image, 246 by 386. So it's way bigger than the displayed image. So what we are going to do is to resize this big image to this one. So this is what I suggest, and then we will make the file size smaller. So I suggest 300 KB. So first we need to take note the size, dimension of the image, 580 by 386.50. So open your Photoshop, and then 580 by 386 by 300. 380. Okay, so let's remove that one. So next is to save this one. Okay, you need to save that, and then open. This in Photoshop. So this image is way bigger than the display dimension of your website. So what we're going to do is just to drag this one, and then Control T to make it smaller. Okay, so let's try to save this. I suggest, so let's check again. The size of the image is 721 KB. Our goal here is to make this 300 KB or 100 KB. So let's save first the edited dimension. Let's just web speed. Okay. Morning. Okay, so save. Okay. This is the new image that we've edited. So it is now 346 KB from 721 to 346 KB. So I'm okay with that, but you can reduce that. If you want to reduce that, make it 200 KB. I suggest to go to a website this one. Okay. I will check that. And then, so this is, you can compare that by. So what I would like to do is change this to red P and then make it 80%. And you can see that difference by dragging it. But I can see no difference, so let's download that one. Okay, so let's open. Let's see the new size. So this is the new size. This is the new size. Right click properties. So 59 KB. So, let's open that one. Let's compare the two. So this is the one that we this is so this one is the 300 KB and this is the 59 KB. So I can see little difference, but that's okay. So let's try to, next step is to rename. So this is the, or we need to rename this according to the proper so if it is about Ecoform, so we need to rename that to about Ecoform. Okay, so this is the one that we are going to upload in the website because it has the correct image dimension and the size is smaller. So that's it. Thank you so much. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.